Meet the ClosetMaid white wire hanging basket. What you see is what you get. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So we're trying to replicate that picture. We have a nice option now to store some of our towels that you'll see are stacked up here, but we also have a shelf so we can take some of these contents and get them up and off of the dryer. So just simple wire hanging basket to attach onto your shelf, as you see right here. So let's go ahead, let's get it installed. All right, so we have it installed. Check it out. Super simple, just to hook it up and over the shelf. So you see it resting on that side and on the other side right here. Again, literally up and over. Just make sure you're on the same wire, and that's it. All right, so there's a look at everything all set up and ready to go for us. What's fun is if you want, you could pick up a couple more of these and stack them on top of each other. If you have room, they can hang off each other. So in our case, we could get a couple more down if we wanted to add another one here, maybe a couple more on the side. But larger items like this, you'll see they're not going to be able to fit on a shelf this size. You would have to get a larger one.